Hello everyone, this is RKV and you're watching Unveil Universe. HTC has confirmed that its upcoming flagship device, the HTC U12 Plus, will be launching on May 23, and here are some renders of HTC U12 and all the specs that are confirmed to be coming with HTC U12 Plus. The HTC U12 Plus will be coming with a 6-inch Quad HD Plus Super LCD display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. IP68 water resistant is confirmed. Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 is the heart of HTC U12, as with all of the other flagship devices, paired with 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of onboard storage. It sports a 12 and 16 megapixel dual rear camera setup and a dual 8 megapixel front camera setup. It will pack a 3500 mAh battery capacity, but there is no information about its price till yet, so we have to wait until the release, and I'll be streaming that event, so subscribe to our channel for that and turn on notifications. The next news comes from the Samsung's Galaxy Note 9. Gray G. Lee, the head of AI Center from Samsung Research, has reportedly confirmed that Bixby 2.0 will ship with the company's next flagship smartphone, which is expected to be Galaxy Note 9. He says that the Bixby will come with enhanced natural language processor and improved noise resistance capacity and a quicker response as compared to its predecessor. There are many leaks coming out in future videos about the Galaxy Note 9, so hit that red subscribe button for more updates. So all that being said, let me know your thoughts on this one about the HTC U12 and Note 9 in the comment section below. And that is all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.